And we claim, on behalf of Kaspa, is that this competition can simply happen on layer 1 among the blocks. You don't have to outsource it and to believe that L2s or other centralized sequencers will do you any good and run the competition in a fair sense.
What's up, Crypto Crew, and welcome back. Or if this is your first time, I'm Captain Crypto Mite, actively escaping the matrix, scoping out the crypto ocean. So if you like your odds, get on the boat, stay up to date, thumbs up, and join the hunt.
Into the boat!
Crypto Crew, the Trump administration has dropped some bullish news with a U.S. crypto reserve, including 3 altcoins next to Bitcoin and Ethereum. Trump has picked Solana, Cardano, and XRP as his start in making the U.S. the crypto capital in the world. And in this vid, we'll go in why Kaspa may be part of that list in the future.
Now, US President Donald Trump has unveiled plans for a new crypto strategic reserve, hinting at 5 cryptocurrencies: Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Solana, and Cardano as key assets. Now, the announcement triggered a sharp rally in crypto markets, with some coins surging up to 62%, while Bitcoin gained up to 10% following the announcement. Trump, who once criticized Bitcoin as a scam, has pivoted towards a more crypto-friendly stance. And this change in Trump's stance positions the US as the crypto capital of the world now. Since taking office, he has signed an executive order to explore digital asset regulations and the potential creation of a national crypto stockpile. The initiative includes cryptocurrencies lawfully seized by the government, though details on implementation remain unclear. The upcoming crypto summit at the White House is expected to provide further insight into how this reserve will function and whether congressional approval is even necessary. Trump's recent embrace of cryptocurrency has drawn scrutiny, especially as he and his wife Melania Trump have launched their own digital assets. Critics argue that his policies could financially benefit their ventures, despite his pro-crypto stance has reignited investor enthusiasm, with market prices rising significantly.
Now, at the making of this recording, Kaspa isn't yet on that list, but that's fine, as Kaspa is far from a complete crypto project. Caspians like myself are holding and accumulating as much Kaspa as possible before the big catalysts happen, before the worldwide adoption in various sectors, before Kaspa becomes the crypto project it was designed to be. Prove all things, hold fast that which is good. Kaspa is the digital silver to Bitcoin's digital gold, and so like all assets, you should protect them. We at Your Crypto Crew always encourage you to practice self-custody, and we believe the Tangent Wallet is your best option. Plug and play, easy to use, the most affordable cold storage in our opinion. So if you'd like to order your Tangent Wallet today, you can get 10% off using code CryptoCrew. Check out the link in the description box below. Thanks so much for your consideration and support in advance, and may the Lord Jesus Christ bless you all.
A U.S. crypto reserve will elevate this critical industry after years of corrupt attacks by the Biden administration, which is why my executive order on digital assets directed the presidential working group to move forward on crypto strategic reserve, including some very key cryptocurrencies. I will make sure the U.S. is the crypto capital of the world. We are making America great again. Also, a post right now from the Wall Street Journal saying crypto stocks, they surged after President Trump said he would move forward with a U.S. crypto strategic reserve that will include Bitcoin and Ethereum, plus 3 smaller, somewhat riskier tokens. Also, a post on social media from David Sachs, of course, associated with this in a big way with President Trump, saying he's announced a strategic crypto reserve consisting of Bitcoin and other top cryptocurrencies. This is consistent with week 1 executive order. President Trump is keeping his promise to make the U.S. the, quote, crypto capital of the world. More to come on this summit, and more information about this as they surged. Bitcoin rose 10% to over $94,000 after dipping to a 3-month low under $80,000 on Friday. Ethereum, which has suffered some of the biggest losses in crypto year to date, gained 13 points. Trump is hosting the first White House crypto summit on Friday, and investors will be watching closely for more clues about the direction direction of the reserve plan. This is the first time Trump has specified his support for crypto reserve versus a stockpile. While the former assumes actively buying crypto in regular installments, a stockpile would simply not sell any of the crypto currently held by the government. So we're learning more and more about this. Trump's first introduced the idea of this Bitcoin stockpile, which he would, quote, keep 100% of all the Bitcoin the U.S. government currently holds or acquires into the future. Last summer at Bitcoin 2024 in Nashville, one of the industry's largest conferences where he began courting the crypto vote. After his re-election in November, the drumbeat for a strategic Bitcoin reserve grew louder, helping send the price of the flagship cryptocurrency to an all-time high. The momentum seemed to come to a halt after Trump issued his executive order on crypto in late January. It called for the president's working group on crypto to elevate the potential creation and maintenance of the national digital asset stockpile, potentially derived from the cryptocurrencies lawfully seized by the federal government through the enforcement efforts, among other things. So following the latest on this, as cryptocurrencies continue to surge after President Trump announces this strategic crypto reserve.
While Kaspa isn't currently on the list of altcoins making up the U.S. crypto reserve, Kaspa's fundamentals make it a logical candidate for consideration in the future. As a secure, decentralized, and scalable payment network, Kaspa embodies what a reserve currency should be. Kaspa is currently trading at around 9 cents per Kaspa coin at the making of this recording, yet many analysts see potential for it to reach $1 this cycle, which is over 10x from its current levels. Some Kaspians, yours truly included, believe Kaspa can surge to even higher levels. Kaspa has major catalysts on the horizon. Smart contracts are coming soon, expanding its utility beyond payments. Major exchange listings are in the works. Coinbase has already listed Kaspa for futures trading, and Binance could follow any day from the making of this recording.
Now, the crypto market, coming off its worst month since 2022, reacted instantly. Bitcoin and Ethereum surged over 10%, while Cardano spiked as much as 70%. Now, prices are coming back down, but still, we're seeing investors getting back into long positions. And attention now really turns to Friday's first ever White House Crypto Summit, where the president, along with his crypto czar David Sachs, regulators, and industry leaders will talk next steps. We'll be watching to see whether the president shares a buying strategy or plans to push this through without congressional approval. And yes, the choice of Cardano and Solana came as a bit of a surprise. But at the end of the day, these 5 tokens that are in this reserve are on the top 10 market cap list. And Cardano and Solana offer faster and cheaper alternatives than Bitcoin and Ethereum with respect to facilitating payments. The president also has a connection to both of those blockchains. Solana is the blockchain that he used to build his meme token. Meanwhile, you've got XRP. Ripple is the team behind that token. They donated $5 million in the XRP token to Trump's inaugural fund. So he has ties to some of these tokens that we're seeing show up here.
Just like XRP, the Trump campaign accepted big donations in Kaspa around President Donald Trump's inauguration last January 2025. If that is indeed the case, a Kaspa seed has already been planted at the White House, when Kaspa isn't even a fully fledged crypto project at the making of this recording. Now, here are 3 things that makes Kaspa special. First, speed and scalability, as Kaspa processes transactions in seconds with minimal fees. Second, true decentralization. While many newer blockchains compromise on decentralization, Kaspa remains community-driven with no central authority. Third, Kaspa's architecture is designed to scale without the need for Layer 2 solutions or complex workarounds. In short, Kaspa is a Layer 1 proof-of-work crypto project that solves the trilemma, something even Bitcoin could never. Using innovative block DAC technology, Kaspa allows multiple blocks to be created simultaneously, resulting in lightning-fast transactions and incredible scalability, all while maintaining the security and decentralization that proof-of-work cryptos provide. Unlike Bitcoin, which has become digital gold, Kaspa stays true to Satoshi's original vision, a peer-to-peer electronic cash system that's actually usable for everyday payments.
They say, let the competition happen on L2s. Or they may say, let the competition happen among exchanges or different kinds of DeFi products. And we claim on behalf of Kaspa is that this competition can simply happen on layer 1 among the blocks. You don't have to outsource it and to believe that L2s or other centralized sequencers will do you any good and run the competition in a fair sense. So this is very simple story I present to you here, is that 1 BPS in a second unit means that you only have one bidder and there's no competition, and that is a malicious, centralized, monopolized status of market. When you have 10 BPS, you have 10 bidders, so you have some competitions. Theoretically speaking, there will still be potential colluding malicious nodes, but to be fair, that in a second time unit, this is unlikely to happen, but that is theoretical. And Kaspa team is also pushing for future updates to make 100 BPS alive, which means there will be 100 bidders, and that is near fair competition for the market. And therefore, by then the nodes must share the income with users. Whatever this income is sourced from, right? It's sequencing fee, it's Oracle service fee, whatever it is, it has to share with the one who sends the transactions. And this is what we think that empowers the users of Kaspa, and that's the spirit of the blockchains.
Prove all things, hold fast that which is good.
Stick around.
Fix your mind before you get to the grind. And with that said, let's continue to escape the matrix. Let's continue to be on the lookout for the next big thing here on the crypto ocean. Grow in grace, and let's make some crypto waves. Say aye.